Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Luke in Pennsylvania. Luke, this is your Superstar SS-626, which was the replacement and a little bit better upgrade, at least in aesthetics, for the Galaxy 66 V2 dual final radio. You want the tuner line and the regulator, so we did just that. 25 watt slug right here. I'll show you RF power all the way down. There's 1 watt. And we'll roll it all the way up. This thing is an audio monster, by the way. 10 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low, 22 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Low audio. About 43 PEP. Alright, Luke, this thing's ready to come to you, man. I appreciate it and I hope you enjoy it. From all of us here at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.